Let's wrap the perfect holiday gift box. I like to start by cutting my paper to fit my box. It makes it easier to get clean lines and crisp folds if you don't have a ton of extra paper that you're working with. If you're using a paper that has geometric elements or lines like this one, make sure you line up the edges of your box to be parallel with the edge of the paper. Start by placing your box face down in the center of your paper and fold each edge over and secure with a small piece of tape. Try to pull the paper tightly over the corners of the box for extra clean edges. Now let's work on the two sides of the box. Take the two shorter ends and fold them inwards so the edge lays flat on the side of the box. Secure both sides with a small piece of tape. Now you'll fold the remaining paper inwards to create an envelope shape on the sides. I like to pre-crease the paper before I fold in and fold the edge of the paper before the final piece of tape for an extra clean look. The second side is always easier because you can set the gift down on the side you've already taped so you have a flat working surface. Now let's add a bow. Again, I like to measure the ribbon before getting started so I make sure I have enough length to wrap around the full box. Start by laying your ribbon flat against the front side of your box and then flip it over and cross the ribbons to create an X shape on the back. Pull it tight to keep your bow secure. Now flip the box over again and cross your two ends of ribbon underneath the flat piece on the front. This will keep your ribbon in place so you can tie your bow. I like to use the bunny ear method so I can shape my bow loops before tying the knot. Once the knot is secure, you can play with the size and placement of the ears and tails until you're happy with your final look. Some ribbons are easier to work with than others. A wired ribbon will be the easiest to manipulate, and velvet can be a lot trickier. Shop these exclusive wrapping paper prints and our favorite ribbons to match at the link in the description.